How to reset TeamViewer password? So you cannot log into your TeamViewer account because you have forgotten your password. Then in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your password so that you can sign in to your TeamViewer account. First of all, open up any browser and search TeamViewer login and go to the first website where it says login.teamviewer.com. And in TeamViewer sign in page, you will find forgot password option. So select on forgot password. Now to recover access to your TeamViewer account, here enter the email address of your TeamViewer account that you have forgotten password of. And then select on this checkbox I am not a robot and solve the easy puzzle. And click on verify. Once you completed the CAPTCHA verification, now under it click on change password. And your request will be processed and you will receive an email with instructions for changing your password. So check your email inbox. And here you can see this is the mail I received from TeamViewer to reset my password. And once you got this mail, here click on approve request. And now here you can reset your password. So create a strong password for your TeamViewer account and confirm that password. Once you created a new password and confirm that password, now here click on OK. And your TeamViewer password will be successfully changed. So now here you can just enter your email address and under it you will have your password. And then you can just sign in to your TeamViewer account. And if you are resetting your TeamViewer password on a browser, then for your security, TeamViewer will send you a confirmation email to trust your device. So you have to check your email inbox. And now here you can authorize your device. So here you can click on add to trusted devices. And here you can approve it. And now you can get back into your TeamViewer account. So that's it, that's how you can reset your TeamViewer password if you forgot it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment. And if you want to control your PC from your mobile device, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.